folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I want to talk to you guys about wood sizes and how to effectively use wood for your needs at that time. So there are various different things that you might want to accomplish when burning a wood stove or a wood cook stove. Maybe you're looking to get as most heat out of the stove as quickly as possible to warm up the space. Maybe you're always running your wood stove, so your house is always warm. So you're looking to achieve kind of those longer burn times. Maybe you're doing a lot of cooking, stovetop cooking or baking if it's a cook stove, and you want to be able to get those temperatures up to speed, very quickly. So here's kind of where we're at. I have a variety of sizes of wood here, so I want to kind of explain to you guys when to use what type of wood. So the smaller the wood, the quicker it's going to burn, but also the hotter it's going to get. Now you always want to keep in mind, especially if you're cooking or baking, you want to have some substance to your fire. So I would start a kindling fire with a little bit larger size like this, so I get some nice good coals going in the base of my fire. Once I have that going, then I'll add my smaller kindling on top. That's going to allow that baking oven to get up to temperature as quick as possible, and also your cooktop to get up to temperature as quick as possible. Now, if you were looking to get the most heat out of the stove as quickly as possible, typically if you're looking to get as much heat, you're not just looking to get, the top up to temperature very quickly for a purpose like cooking or baking, but you're going to want to maintain that kind of high temperature. Honestly, to get the most heat out of your stove as possible and keep it going, you're actually going to be frequently loading your stove. So you're going to start with a small kindling fire. Get that burning really hot. That might only be 5 or 10 minutes before you add in some larger pieces. You get that burning nice and hot, and then you can add in, the bigger log to kind of maintain it once you're getting up to that temperature. Now, if you are looking to get the longest burn times possible, a full round or log of wood, because its densest, is going to burn the longest because of its density, right? So keep that in mind. Whole log rounds like that, though, they do need other things around them to keep burning. Otherwise, they kind of lose their airflow and smolder and go out. So it's important to have a variety of wood. For me, if I was going to burn a solid log round, I would also add some smaller split pieces on each side to keep it burning, so that your stove is going to burn efficiently and burn almost out completely with a small amount of fly ash left. So I hope that this video was informational, educational, and helpful for you guys today. I do try and take all of the questions that I get on my phone calls in my 20 plus years of sales in wood stoves and in the hearth industry, and kind of just put them out there for you guys online so that you can do your shopping, do your research, find out what you need to know without actually having to call anybody. So if you like these, please give me a thumbs up. This is free information that I do. Thumbsing up my video helps me out so much. It really helps me if you share my content, sharing it on social media. Please don't forget to subscribe in the corner of the channel. God bless y'all. Have a wonderful day.